How to update TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your Android device or the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type TD Auto Finance and select the official app from the results. If an update is available, you will see the update button next to the app. Tap on it and wait for the update to finish downloading and installing. Once completed, you can open the app as usual with the latest version running smoothly. If you don't see the update option, it means your app is already up to date. For convenience, you can also enable automatic updates in your device settings so the app always updates in the background without you having to check manually. Now you know how to update the TD Auto Finance app easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.